welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting a tornado survival series, and I plan on having these uploads being more consistent because last time I uploaded like 6 videos within a time span of 2 days, and then I didn't upload. I'm not uploading again till like a week later. So I plan on releasing a new video every other day. Yeah, every other day. So this will be released on this video will be released on the 25th of July, and then 27th, 29th, and so on. We spawned in a village, which is pretty nice. Clay, I don't need that. Stone, no. Stone bricks, no. I'll take the bread and the sticks, though. No, nothing there. What about here? More bread. Emerald. Take that. And, yeah, Okay, and then what else we got in here? Bed. That's very useful. I need that. Another emerald. Some wheat. Books. Gotta get these so that I can have an enchantment table. Wait. Should I put aim to player on? Oh, also, the weather mod got, some updates, so now it'll be way less laggy. If you watched my hardcore series, you would know that my computer absolutely struggled while trying to run this game. So yeah, 0.15.3. The last version I did was 0.15.0. So, yeah, that should be good. 10, squall, 5, and then aim at player, on. Yeah, okay. I want this to be an interesting tornado survival. I don't just want to have near miss after near miss after near miss after... No, I'm going to have lots of near misses. But I don't want to see a tornado off in the distance like 20 times and almost never be hit by one. I don't want to do that. That's kind of boring. So, it is going to be a hard survival, but it's going to be fun. Until my house gets blown away in a hurricane or a tornado. So, yeah, I guess I'll just keep looting this village until I get, pretty much, all the starting needs. There's plains right there already. Let's go. Bunch of sheep here. That iron golem I plan on killing. Nah. No, I'm not gonna do that. I've learned my lesson from previous survival things. I know my friend Joven has that one Minecraft video that we did together, in hardcore mode, and he was gonna get some iron by killing an iron golem. He was 4 blocks high. He was in the middle of the pillar. The iron golem still hit him. Okay, I'll take this crafting table, actually. Take that with me, too. Whoa, I thought that was gonna poke me. Okay, there's so many. Why are there 3 grindstones there? But yeah, I like this overhauled village mod. It's like... I don't know how to describe it. It's like a downside... Bro. Squall line on the first day. A squall line on the first day. So there's a funnel. And oh goodness gracious. Oh gosh. This town is actually dead. Going to die. Bro, I gotta get everything I possibly can and get out of here. I hear it. Run. Oh my gosh. Get out of the way. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Sheepy, I'm coming with you. It's right there. Oh, it's lifting. Are you serious? No, it's boring. Oh, give me something fun. Oh my gosh. No, it's still, it's picking up debris. Oh dear. That was close. Okay, that was actually a close one. I feel like I would have been sucked up into it. Also, hurricanes, they don't, this is the developer's word. Hurricanes do not develop at Mach Jesus anymore. Which is pretty cool, because, like, before they would, like, they'd spawn and boom, they're already category 5. Oh my gosh, this feels like cheating. This actually feels like cheating. But you gotta take what you can. Well, I have armor now. Half an armor thing. But another village. Another one. Oh, I actually want to go inside that tower. Oh, I gotta sleep first. No! My poor lantern. My poor lantern. What? Okay. Oh my god. Alright, we're going to go to this village. Over here. I don't think it's a village. Something tells me it's not a village. No, mm-mm. Run. Run. I don't want to die. Bread. He's still chasing me, brah. Like, broski. Is bro still chasing me? No, he's not. That's a lot of rain. Alright, we're gonna come over here. I don't even have any wood. Ooh. You know what? I think this is a great spot to set up a base, if I'm being totally honest. Not much being rendered in, so it's like, you know, gonna be really hard for it to lag. So I will actually get to digging and flattening this land out. You know what? You know what? Where is it? There it is. I have a feeling I'm gonna regret that decision in the near future. Oh, here comes the wind. Oh, so spooky. Am I gonna die? We'll never know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a hurricane. It's a hurricane. Give me my darn tootin' boat back. Okay. That, guys, that, oh. It's a hurricane. I gotta go get all my stuff. Why did I break my boat? Why did I do that? That is definitely a hurricane. Get all the stuff underground. Where was that hole? Where was it? That's good enough. I think I'll just keep everything under there. Like that, and then, okay. Just there, put all the stuff in there. Okay. Let me grab this other chest. Okay. Oh, come on. Put everything under here. Like so. I think I have time though, so it should be good. I can't tell if it's dissipating or not. I swear, if this thing is dissipating, I'm actually gonna be of the anger. I will be of the anger. Put bed there. Put crafting table right here. No, right in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a furnace right under there. So there, yep. Okay. Starter base setup. I need dirt, actually. Bam, bam. I think it's gotten farther away from me. Man, bed is obstructed. Are you serious? Are you Siri right now? Fine. Okay. I think that is leading into this, which is probably a hurricane. Well, here's what a hurricane looks like from the outside, guys. What is this? What? Oh my gosh. Oh my. How did I not see this? A tornado went through here. How did I not see that? Okay, yeah. So what should I name this island? What should I name the body of water around me? What should I name this river right here? What should I name this tornado here? Because there's ground scouring there. Tree canopies are taken. So that's obviously a tornado. What should I name these villages, guys? Let's see. So you got one here, 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 and here. What should I name these villages? And then, what else is there to name? This river right here. Yeah, so what should I name all those? I'll have a list right here of things that we need to be named. And yeah, tell me what I should build, because I don't know. And maybe I do like a tower right here or something, like a tower. You know, I might make a short about it, but yeah, so that is the end of this video. I will have more consistent uploads, so this will be released on the 25th, then the next video on the 27th, 29th, so forth. yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm excited to do this series. With all the new updates coming. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all have a good day. Goodbye.